Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to create a group email in Gmail. Friends, sometimes we need to send regular emails to different group of people. So while composing email, if you want to avoid adding one by one email address, then you simply need to make group to send email. So in your Gmail account, you need to go to Google Apps. Here you need to select contacts. In contacts, you need to create new label. After typing name, click on save. Now friends, we have created a new group, name office. Now go to contacts. In contacts, you need to click on the three dots. Now here you need to select your group name. In my case, it's office. Now this contact is added to my newly created group. So like this you need to repeat the same process on all the contact you want in this group. So friends, I have selected 4 contacts in my office group. Now we will send email on these contacts. In your Gmail account, click on compose. Now compose your email. Now after composing the email, click on receipts. Now friends, normally here we add email addresses one by one, but now we will simply type our group name. In our case, it's office. Now as you can see, it has automatically shown our group name. Select the group. Now friends, as you can see, it has automatically added all the 4 contacts which we have added in this group. Now press on send to send email on all the 4 email addresses. So friends, like this you can very easily create a group email in Gmail. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.